Hi everyone, is it okay for you to buy the regular Jaguar XJ8 and Vanden Plas? I'll answer it when I come back. Hi everyone, some of you ask me, hey EJ, I can't find Jaguar XJR out there. It is very rare. Well, I can understand that. If you go to autotrader.com or cars.com, guess what? There were probably like 9 or 10 of them. And some of them are in really bad condition, right? And then you look at it, the seats are torn. And I mean, it is dirt. I mean, they are dirty, right? But if you are willing to restore it like I did, like I found this car in a really bad condition. I mean, the sunroof is not working. It was dirty. It was parked at a dealership for a long time. The car already had like 100,000 plus when I bought it. So the thing about regular car buyers, when they see the 100,000 miles exotic cars like this, they got turned off and nobody wants to buy it. Who wants to buy a high mileage Jaguar? It's scary. But for a YouTuber like me, I was in heaven. How much? 6,900? Bam! I bought it cash. I grab it right away, restore it. If you watch my video, I flushed the engine, I changed the spark plug, I changed the coil pack. I did a lot of things on this car. I spent a lot of money restoring this car. The CD charger was missing, and I was like, okay, so I bought a CD charger for the car. So I'm adding things one at a time, okay, to restore this car back to its pristine condition. It's still work in progress, but I've been driving this car for 2 years plus now, okay? And the car is still running. And some of you ask me, so if I can't find the XJR version of this car, what do you think about the regular XJ8 and the Vanden Plas edition? Wow. Okay, that's actually a very good question. The 1998 regular XJ8 and to 2003 version of, 1998 to 2003 regular XJ8 and the Vanden Plas edition comes with the same 4.0 liter V8 engine. And this engine is bulletproof, believe it or not. If you maintain it, put a premium synthetic oil in it, flush it, make sure there is no, gunk, and make sure that, you do the regular maintenance interval on the engine and you don't abandon it. The engine can last up to 200,000 miles, believe it or not. I've seen Jaguar at 300,000 miles when the owner actually put a lot of time to maintain it, to take care of it. This car is at 122,000 miles now, right? So I'm like, I'm still driving it. I mean, it's not my daily car, it's my fun car, but still, I got a $100,000 car for 6,900. It is a good deal. With the XJ8 and the Vanden Plas, you can get it even cheaper now. If you can find the low mileage XJ8 or the Vanden Plas, make sure, I kind of want to tell you to avoid the 1998. I will go to 99 all the way up to 2003. If you can go buy the 2002 to 2003, it's actually even better. The thing is, the 1998 is when the car came out, and you don't want to buy things when it first cars when it first came out, because it has a lot of quirks, issues, and Jaguar had to iron things out and fix this, fix that. So it's a risk, okay, if you buy the 1998. I will suggest it to go to either 2001 all the way to 2003. Again, my car is 2002, and I loved it. I mean, it's a cheap car compared to my 2004 Jaguar XJ8. Okay, what about the newer Jaguar XJ8, the 2004 up to 2008? From my experience, the newer Jaguar, the 2004 to 2008, they are more costlier to maintain. That's right. You know why? It comes with air suspension, and air suspension costs a lot. When mine, was broken, I got quote for what, $7,000 to replace 4 air suspension. That's a lot of money. $7,000, okay, for my 2004 Jaguar XJR. That's when I decided to get rid of it, and it's too much. And this car has a regular spring, coil suspension, so it's a lot cheaper. One suspension, strut. the strut is only like $70, $75 up to $120 each. Okay, so it's not gonna break your bank when you buy the 1998 to the 2003 Jaguar XJR or XJ8 or Vanden Plas. That's right. And the XJ8 and the Vanden Plas come with the same 4.0 liter V8 engine that produces 290 horsepower. Okay, 290 horsepower from a V8 is pretty fast compared to my Fiat 500. The regular XJ8 and the Vanden Plas is a fast car. I mean, the seats quality is the same. I've driven the regular XJ8 and the Vanden Plas. It is a nice car, especially the Vanden Plas. I really love the Vanden Plas because it has the 2 tables in the back seat. I mean, the Vanden Plas was designed for executive, for bosses, for, you know, people who make a lot of money, so they can write their $1 million check in the back seat on that nice table and eat their caviar, you know. It's like Russian mobs, Russian, what do you call it? All those rich villain in the movie, they have Vanden Plas, nice table in the back, you know. You've seen them in the movie, right? The bad guys drive around in a black, dark Jaguar, either XJR or the Vanden Plas. It's really, really nice. If you can get the Vanden Plas, I really recommend it. I mean, it's not as punchy as the XJR. I mean, the supercharger gives this car additional horsepower. I mean, the 4.0 liter V8 supercharged produces like 370 horsepower, and the regular one without the supercharger produces like 290. But it is pretty fast for a V8. And guess what? You have one thing to worry about. You don't have to worry about if the supercharger goes bad, right? Because there is no supercharger to go bad. So yeah, if you really want to buy the Jaguar XJ8, especially the low mileage one, around like below 70,000, I say buy it. It's a nice weekend car. Okay, you can't go wrong. The car cost $75,000 back in 1998, or you know, whatever, when it was brand spanking new. So you are getting $75,000 car for less. Now you can get it probably at what, $3,900. I mean, don't do car payment, just save money, buy it cash, you know, and take it home. But make sure, change the oil right away. Go to my videos once you buy it, drain the old oil right away, flush the engine, you know, do all the maintenance. Go on my video on how to make your Jaguar last a long time, and you will learn how to do it. And also make sure change the spark plugs and the coil packs, okay? And you'll have a nice car that will last you a long time. So yeah, $3,900 car, that's not bad, especially the car was worth $75,000, okay? The Vanden Plas was around 80 to 85, and the XJR, it goes up to like $90 to $100,000. So yeah, it's like, get it. That's my recommendation. Yeah, what do I think of it? If I can't find the XJR, just get them. Well, if you can't find the 2002, 2003, and you find the 1998 to 2001, just beware. It has what do you call it? The chain timing issues, and it's not gonna be cheap to repair. Even I'm still scared for this one. I'm putting money aside for the day when the problem comes. I have to change the chain timing belt inside the engine. So anyway, yeah, make sure you just put some money aside for repair and for restoration, and you'll be just fine. Make sure, you know, just check the car, or if it's in a good condition, my recommendation, just go ahead, buy either the regular XJ8 and the Vanden Plas. Yeah, it's nice car. It is a nice car. It's pretty punchy car. It's not like driving Camry, Toyota. It feels just like it's the same like the XJR. There's no difference. The XJR is just more powerful and it is faster. Okay, just because it is supercharged. And guess what? I want to show you something before I end this video. Look what I did to my engine. If you watch my video, I painted the engine cover. Now I got a Jaguar chrome decal. So I'm really excited. And you can do a lot of things with this car. This is like my project car. So you can actually get the regular XJ8 and the Vanden Plas and make it as your project car and your weekend car. It is a nice car. It's like, it feels like Bentley, okay? Bentley has the same feeling. Jaguar has the same feeling like when you drive around in Bentley Arnage. That's right. I mean, Bentley Arnage has better seats. But still, the Jaguar and Bentley, they're both British cars, okay? They really know how to make luxury cars. So anyway, love you guys. Make sure give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!